I'm Eric Larson, and I'm talking about the Success Tracker from the Launch Guide. Tracking your contacts is a key to building a successful doTERRA business. This is a connection business, and you are building a network of people who love and share doTERRA. Each individual is unique, with different needs, goals, preferences, and talents. Tracking them will help you to connect with them, to stay organized, and to serve them better. So let me show you how easy this is and how it can be done. First, use your names list from the Build and Share guides to track your doTERRA activities with your top 25 prospects. For example, search your phone contacts and your social media friends to look for people who value health. Or look for those who are entrepreneurial. Or find people you've worked with in the past that you'd like to reconnect with. Second, write down your notes or impressions you have to jog your memory. If you made a commitment you need to fulfill, this is a great place to write it down too. It's been said many times before that fortune is in the follow-up. And third, start walking them through the PIPES process. The steps are simple. Connect honestly and genuinely. Share doTERRA with them and present your message. Once they enroll, introduce your new colleagues to the lifestyle, business, and hosting overviews from the Empowered Success guys. And use the goals section as a yardstick to track your success. As you use the Success Tracker, you'll become more efficient and productive with your time and resources, so when you sit down with your contacts, you can hit the ground running in an easy, systematic way. You can print additional copies of the Success Tracker at the Empowered Success Library. Everyone debates whether you should use paper or some type of device to be able to track these things. The truth is, any version works if you do it. Continue to use the Success Tracker to network on purpose. It's hard to meet people if you're hidden from the world, so go out and have some fun. It'll be good for your business, and you'll make some new friends along the way.